Hi, welcome to Kari's Cakery. I'm Kari, the 14-year-old cake artist, and today I was challenged by a family member to make a one-piece cake. So today I'm making Luffy's straw hat. For this cake, I went with a dairy-free and gluten-free chocolate cake with a dairy-free chocolate buttercream. Here I'm putting on the crumb coat. I'm rolling out the yellow fondant to use as a base color. Putting the fondant on the cake now. And now I'm cutting off the excess fondant. Here I'm using a mold to turn the fondant into braids to give the illusion of straw on the cake. I'm using water to attach the fondant. For those who don't know what One Piece is, it's an action anime based around pirates. The main character, Luffy, is the captain of the Straw Hat Pirates. He also wants to be king of the pirates and also really likes meat. Here I'm putting the cake on the actual cake drum that's going to be served on. And here I'm putting on more braids to be the rim of the hat. Luffy also has a swordsman with no sense of direction that uses 3 swords. A chef who is obsessed with women, a sharpshooter who is a fantastic liar, and a navigator who is money hungry. Who's your favorite One Piece character? Tell me in the comments below. Mine is Robin. One Piece has been coming out for like 25 years. Well, the manga has. And the manga is still coming out in Japan. Crazy, right? Here I'm painting the cake in ivory color by Americolor to add more shading and make it look more realistic. We've only made it to about Vianney's lobby arc in One Piece. I don't know if we're almost done with it or not. Here I'm dabbing off some of the excess color. Now I'm rolling out the red fondant to use as the red band that goes around the hat. I'm now putting the band on the cake. I blended a seam into it because the band was separated into two pieces and it fell apart. So now I'm having to put it back together on the cake. Putting the stitching on the red band now. Here I'm just adding some more texturing to make it look a little more like fabric. Now I'm putting a little bit of dark red onto it to make it look more realistic. Well, here it is. What do you think? Please be sure to like and subscribe, as it really helps out my channel. Do you have any cake challenges for me? Leave them in the comments below. I just might try them. Now let's cut the cake. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next video. Bye!